Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 50 of Build Your Own Shelby GT500 Mustang from the year 1967. It's from our good old friends up at DeAgostini, folks. Now, if you'd like this for yourself, head over to this link here, a clickable version in the description below, and take out a subscription for this 1/6 scale Ford Mustang. Next up, we have got the Shelby story. Ford reinvents the Mustang, and there she is there. This is from 1978, and it was the King Cobra T-top version, folks. And yeah, it did look a bit 70s, didn't it? Let's be honest. So yes, they really tried to go down a different area, but it didn't quite work for them. But the black and gold does work. Always works on a car. Today we are going to be putting together steering rods, so we'll be doing that today. So we'll take a look at what we've got there. And it is asking for this to be a bit flexible, so don't over tighten it. It's designed to move. So bear that in mind, folks, on this. Okay, so that's why they're showing you it with it all folded up. So we'll go through that when we come to build it. This was the Capri RS, a winning bet. This is what we had in the UK back in the day, the big old Capris. And yeah, people of my generation will really wish that the old school Capri would come back. They did a concept recently and it was an SUV. Didn't feel the same. There was the V6 with 3.4 litre in it, Racing Evolutions in the UK. Awesome record, gives you all the information there in the touring cars. And yeah, this was the RS 3100, thanks to the wider spoiler, etc. And there was a Zack Speed Capri about at the time that had the biggest 1980s body kit I've ever seen on a car. Yeah, so there you go, folks. So let's flip back and grab our parts and see what we're going to be putting together today. Right, this is what we've got today. So we've got 50C, B, A and D. So it is asking us to grab this part and this part and put them together. Okay, so we want it that way round with the prong facing downwards. And we want to flip this on itself like that. And then we'll be screwing that together. With a DS25 screw. It says on here, on the instructions, folks, to turn the assembly over, tighten the bolt as far as it will go, but do not let the rods lose their ability to rotate where you've inserted the screw. Okay, so they do need to pivot around that axis. So bear that in mind when you're putting yours together, peeps. So we'll do that now. We'll whop a bit of oil in. And again, this will also help lubricate the joint itself. But it specifically wants this to move. It goes against what we would tell ourselves, but it's designed to pivot. Okay. That's what you want. You want it to be able to do that. Okay. So mine is as far as it will go in the joint, but you want it to pivot. Okay. Bear that in mind. I can't emphasize that enough. Then asking us to do the same with the toothed section there. It's asking you to pop that in that side like so. And then we'll pop in that in with another DS25 screw, folks. Okay, so we'll just lubricate that and then do the same what we've done before. Screw that home. All the way in and just check that it pivots. Okay, that's what you want. And then last up, we have got the little little part 50D there, going in with a DS25 screw as well. So we come up the way like so, so that all our screws are in facing the same direction. Again, same process. A little drop of oil, and then we can guide that screw fully in. Just like that. Look at that. Happy days. There you go. So that's what we want, folks, okay? That's what you should end up with at the end of this stage. Steering rack that is rather flexible. That's by design, folks, okay? So just quickly check that I've got all my screws fully honed, which they should be. There you go. And that is now ready, folks, okay? So, if you want to build this, head over to this link all the way along here. That will take you to the DeAgostini website. There's a clickable link below as well. Take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/6 scale model. Also, if you could just ring that little fester in the corner there, I'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really helps me grow. Also ring the bell so that you get notifications of future content uploads. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.